In recent weeks, social media and several clickbait YouTube channels have been buzzing with headlines claiming Elon Musk's $10,779 Tesla Model 2 has been dropped for the masses. These headlines sound exciting. After all, a fully electric Tesla at such an unbelievably low price would be revolutionary. But when you look closer, the facts tell a different story. First, Tesla has not officially announced or released any $10,779 electric vehicle. The company's lineup currently includes the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and the recently launched Cybertruck. Prices for these cars are far above $10,000, even after tax incentives or discounts. No reputable automotive outlet or Tesla's own press releases mention a Model 2 launch at this price. The confusion comes from older discussions about an affordable Tesla. Elon Musk and Tesla executives have, in the past, talked about building a smaller, cheaper electric car, sometimes informally called the Model 2. The target price for that car was rumored to be around $25,000, not $10,000. That $25,000 figure itself was never confirmed as an official product plan. It was only a goal for future development. In fact, in late 2024, Musk stated publicly that producing a $25,000 non-robotaxi car might be pointless unless full self-driving is perfected. This suggests Tesla has shifted its priorities toward autonomous vehicles rather than releasing a budget-friendly, human-driven car. Another piece of context is the cost of EV production. Battery packs, safety features, and supply chain expenses make it nearly impossible for Tesla, or any manufacturer, to sell a modern, long-range electric car for $10,779 while maintaining quality and profitability. Even the cheapest electric cars in markets like China or India rarely dip below $20,000 once they meet safety and performance standards expected in North America or Europe. Many of the videos and articles spreading the $10,779 claim rely on speculation and hype rather than verified sources. They often use dramatic thumbnails or titles to grab attention but don't provide evidence like Tesla announcements, regulatory filings, or credible automotive journalism. Some even reuse old Tesla concept images or fan renders to make their claims look authentic. In reality, Tesla continues to focus on scaling production of its existing models, improving full self-driving software, and building new factories. Musk has hinted that a smaller, more affordable Tesla could appear in the future, possibly leveraging next-generation manufacturing techniques at Giga Texas or Giga Mexico. But any such vehicle, if it happens, would likely be priced much higher than $10,000 and would probably not arrive until several years from now. To summarize, the $10,779 Tesla Model 2 headline is fake or at least highly misleading. It's an example of viral misinformation spreading faster than the truth. If Tesla ever launches a truly low-cost model, you'll see it on Tesla's official website, verified press releases, and reputable automotive news outlets, long before it appears in unverified clickbait videos. Until then, treat such claims with skepticism and rely on credible sources for information about Tesla's future vehicles.